I'm just taking my old basic white t-shirt and I'm just going to pinch on the center and twist it until it turned into a spiral shape and just secure it tightly with some rubber band. And I really don't know how it gonna turn out, but I'm very excited to try out this DIY tie-dye experiment. Alright, now I'm going to dip it into the normal water for like 30 minutes, and in that meantime I'm going to boil 3 tablespoons of turmeric powder with 3 cups of water. At first I add only 2 tablespoons of turmeric and 2 cups of water, but it was not enough, so later I added more. And I'm gonna boil it for like 30 minutes from low to medium heat. Okay, now I'm gonna pour the turmeric water into the bowl and let it stay for 7 hours. I just hope that it turns out well, and yeah, finger crossed, and I'll see you after 7 hours. Alright, now it's almost 7 hours, so let's untie the rubber band. Seems like it's going to be good. Anyway, let me first wash it and let it dry, and I'll show you after that. So guys, this is the final outcome. Honestly, I really like it. There are so many ways to do tie-dye with natural ingredients, and I'm excited to try out more and share with you. You can also try it out, and if you like this video, then do give a thumbs up and also comment if you like it or not, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And yes, I'll see you on my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.